4-inch Thermo Block Insulated Retractable Curtains by AmCraft Manufacturing are a great option for temperature control when flexibility is also important. This insulated curtain has an R value of 16 and is available in both retractable and stationary. If a higher temperature difference or higher R values are required, then AmCraft Manufacturing offers a rigid version of our Thermo Block Curtain Panels, which go up to R25 and more. The results of our energy-efficient, high-performance insulated curtain panels are so impressive, the investment will often pay for itself. Double-sided floor sweep bridges the gap between the floor and the bottom of the curtain. Our Thermo Block curtains are manufactured here in Elk Grove Village. We offer a vast array of R values and construction. Each customer's requirements and budgets are unique and special to us. Our knowledgeable product specialists have the flexibility to work out an optimal solution to suit your specifications.